This is a tutorial for the Christmas song Up on the Housetop. And it's not only a lot of fun, it's really an easy song, especially for a beginner. I told you in my class there are thousands of songs with just 3 chords. This is in the key of F. There are 3 chords, F, C, and B flat. And very simple. You do have to watch out for the B flat note in the song, but other than that, there are no black keys. So let me give you the fingering. This is we're doing this as a soloist first of all. So you're going to start with your 4th finger on this C note. And then you got your 4th finger here again. And I think you need to lift up or stretch your finger down to this 3rd finger on A. And then 2nd finger on A there. Let me do that for you one more time. It's 4. And then put your 2nd finger on A there. 3rd finger on this B flat. That's a B flat there. B flat again. So really pretty easy melody there. Then your chords are going to be a F chord to begin with. That's in root position, F, A, C. And I would do the B flat chord like that, F, B flat, and D, because it's easy to move back to F then. So the B flat is F, B flat, and D. Then the F chord again there. And then the C chord was really easy like that, E, G, and C. And F again, root position, F, A, C. B flat again. F, B flat, and D like that. F again, root position, F, A, C. And then your C chord, E, G, C like that. And back to the F chord. And then your B flat just like that again. F again. There's a C7 chord. This is just adding a note. We've been playing that C chord, but we're going to add this B flat. So it's E, G, B flat, and C. And that B flat is what makes it into a C7 there. So it's just a little bit richer sounding chord. Excuse me. And back to F again. B flat again, F, and there's that C7 again, E, G, B flat, C, and then this is what it sounds like when you put it all together.